let's say I have the function h of x is equal to the cubed root of x. Now, if I have a cubed root, I can rewrite that cubed root as a power. So this is really the same thing as h of x is equal to x raised to the 1/3. So once I've rewritten this power, now I can use my power rule. So my power rule says that our derivative will be bring that power down in front and subtract 1 from the old power. So that's 1/3 minus 3/3, which is negative 2/3. So our new power is negative 2/3.
And is it okay to have the answer be a negative power?
Absolutely. And in fact, I'm going to encourage you, as we're working on these power, or on all these derivative rules, our focus is, number one, to learn and work with the derivative rules. So once you get a final answer, once you've taken your derivative, I want to encourage you to not simplify. Okay, so once you are done with calculus, leave it there. Okay, one more example of these. If I have f of x is equal to 1 over x to the 4th, notice that my power rule only applies when I have x raised to a power, not when I have some kind of a fraction going on. Okay? So 1 over x raised to a power doesn't fall under the power rule. Okay? But what I can do is I can rewrite this as f of x is equal to x to the negative 4th. Okay? And now I have x raised to a single number. And now when I take my derivative, I bring that power down in front. And you want to be a little bit careful with this negative power. Negative 4 minus 1 becomes negative 5. So my derivative is negative 4x to the negative 5. Okay. Any questions or comments on either of these power rules right here? Okay. All right. In that case, I think this is a good place to pause. We're going to continue with these rules in the second hour, but let's stop here. We're a few minutes early. Take your 10-minute break, and when you come back, we'll continue with our derivative rules.